From steam to AC traction, from telegraph to wireless communication, railroading and railroad technology has changed a lot over the last 160 years. In the early days of railroading, crew calling sometimes meant actually sending a messenger to the trainman's home to call the employee to work. Obviously, we've come a long way since then. When computer technology became available, it made a revolutionary impact on all aspects of railroading. The entire system was connected in a way never before possible. It wasn't that long ago when CSX began using a computerized crew dispatching system, which replaced crew assignment boards at the local crew office. The computerized system allowed us to make major improvements in the way we dispatch crews and has made information more accessible across the railroad. Today, we're on the brink of another big advance in crew dispatching. A re-engineering team made up of CSX employees has put in many hours searching for ways to take crew dispatching up to the next level of efficiency. Some of the most often heard complaints about the old system concern the amount of agreement knowledge that had to be memorized, the number of computer screens that had to be used, and the timeliness of information from the infobot. It was determined that the company needed to provide employees with better tools to get the job done and to provide better information. That finding led to the purchase of a new crew dispatching system in 1995. The new crew dispatching system was created by PS Technology, and it's being customized for our use. The PS Technology crew call system is similar to the system used today. It's run on the same computers, and it's a menu-driven mainframe application like you're used to. Many of the basic concepts and procedures will stay pretty much the same. What's different and better is that the PST crew call system is much easier to use for everyone. It's also a smarter system in many ways. CSX Transportation is not the first railroad to switch to the PS Technology crew dispatching system. The system's been in use on Class 1 railroads for 9 years. It's currently being used on 15 freight and passenger roads in the US and Canada. So what's in it for you? Well, what if I told you the new system will provide more timely information so you can better plan your off time? Skeptical? Well, check out these benefits and judge for yourself.
There are going to be a lot of advantages to the T&E employee. The biggest advantage is that the T&E employee sees the same information the crew caller uses to do his job. The information will be accurate, it'll be timely.
For field T&E employees, as well as union officials, the new crew call system will provide the same information, but it will have some new features as well.
The screens give information such as off days, what the work hours are, what the job includes, so they can better decide which job they may want to bid on.
The main screens that will change are the T&E screens related to train lineup, employee work history, and available jobs. For the most part, the screen changes will be cosmetic. You'll have to get used to a new format, but on-screen help text will be available as you learn to read and input information. And remember that everything is menu-driven, so all you'll have to do is choose from a list of selections to get the information you want. And the number of keystrokes needed to get the information you want will be reduced. One specific change that might take some getting used to is the use of districts and sub-districts instead of supply points.
When the T&E employee logs into the system, they select the district and sub-district, which is a little bit different than before. Before they used to enter supply points. Now they enter district and sub-district, which narrows their search down for information.
When you sign on to get information, it will be matched by district and sub-district. That way, you'll be able to get the specific information you are looking for without having to burn through a lot of other information you don't need. Another benefit of the new crew call system is that agreement logic is built right into it. The system will automatically present a fully rested employee for the job based on the agreement. This will take some of the guesswork out of the whole process and will improve calling accuracy in filling vacancies. The new system reduces the need for you to make calls to crew management, since Infobot will be improved to give out better information. Train lineups will be more accurate because they will be generated directly from the crew dispatcher's list. And as we make improvements to Infobot, we'll also be adding some features. T&D employees will be able to lay off on personal leave or vacation through Infobot. Of course, that personal leave or vacation time must already be scheduled. Also, the new Infobot system will allow a caller to return to the main menu to get additional information instead of having to hang up and call again. All in all, the changes to the crew call system and Infobot are good news.
The T&E employee will be able to see the same, as I said, the same information that the crew caller sees, kind of have a better idea of when he's going to be called, and maybe plan their off time a little better. Their off time, the jobs they're going to take, maybe find another job that they would like to bid on a little easier.
You've seen some of the changes we can look forward to with this new system. Now let's look at some of the things that will not change. We'll still be using the same computers. The CSXT conductor register screens, which are payroll screens, will not change. The absenteeism, vacation, and personal leave system will not change. And the screens for the seniority roster will not change. In this video, we've tried to share some of the benefits of the new crew dispatching system. The system that's being customized for CSX transportation includes a detailed online help system with easy-to-follow prompts. This help system will allow field employees to hit the help key from any screen. It will then show you the proper way to fill out the screen. Users will also be provided with detailed training manuals. And during implementation of the system, you'll also be able to call a help desk for assistance. Implementation of the new crew dispatching system will begin this summer, starting with the Chicago-Nashville service lane. Implementation will require 6 months to complete. As desks are put online, in crew management and service lanes and divisions, corresponding field employees will also be switched to the new system. We hope this video has answered some of your questions. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a safe day.